Our relations are deeply rooted, from centuries of maritime exchange across the seas to the enduring traditions, languages, and cultures which connect our people. This rich heritage has imbued our partnership with a character that is both time-honored and enduring. Today, our cooperation is broad, substantive, and mutually beneficial. Allow me to highlight just a few areas. On the economic front, the Philippines has consistently stood as one of Malaysia's most important trading partners. Last year, our bilateral trade reached $8.3 billion, placing Malaysia as Philippines' 9th largest trading partner and the 8th largest source of approved foreign investments. These figures are more than just mere statistics. They reflect the vitality of our economic partnership and, more importantly, the deep trust and confidence that our business communities continue to place in one another. In the context of Davao City, I am proud to highlight the contribution of one Malaysian company, HSS, who are responsible for the Davao Public Transport Modernization Project, better known as the Davao Bus Project. This landmark initiative will transform urban mobility through a 672 kilometers bus route network in Davao and setting a new benchmark for public transportation. As a reputable and listed consultancy, HSS has successfully delivered several mega projects in Malaysia, including LRT Lines 1 and 2 in Klang Valley. With this proven expertise, HSS is now extending their capabilities to Davao, with the pilot operation targeted to commence in the third quarter of 2027. When we speak of investment and sustainability, renewable energy stands at the forefront of our shared future. In this regard, I also wish to highlight Mako Solar Group of companies, a dedicated renewable energy developer and investor with a clear mission to energize a cleaner future. They are ever ready to supply clean solar energy to LGUs across Mindanao. Beyond trade and investment, what is especially meaningful is our development cooperation. Under the BIM IAGA, we are working hand in hand to uplift less developed regions. This cooperation is a living example of how neighbors can join forces to promote inclusive growth and regional connectivity. Malaysia also reaffirmed our steadfast commitment to supporting the ongoing peace process in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. As a trusted partner in this endeavor, Malaysia will continue to facilitate dialogue, promote mutual understanding, and work closely with all stakeholders to ensure that the peace process remains inclusive, sustainable, and beneficial for the people of this region. Equally, our people-to-people links remains a strong foundation of our friendship. Over 500,000 Filipinos visit Malaysia annually, many of them students, professionals, and tourists. Filipino talents, particularly in healthcare, education, and information technology, have enriched Malaysian society and earned our admiration. On the other hand, Malaysian students, academics, and entrepreneurs have found in Philippines a warm and vibrant environment to pursue opportunities and partnership. We also extend our sincere appreciation to our friends from the University of the Immaculate Conception, whose partnership has opened doors for our intern students from University Kebangsaan Malaysia. Through this collaboration, our young Malaysians have gained not only valuable professional experience, but also a deeper understanding of the warmth and generosity of Filipino people. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate Malaysia's National Day tonight, let us reaffirm our commitment to work together for peace and stability, for trade and prosperity, for people-to-people exchanges that build understanding and goodwill. Let us honor the sacrifices of those who came before us, whose vision and courage secure our independence and our future. May we continue to embody their love of country as we strive to serve our people, strengthen our nations, and contribute to the progress of our region. Before I bring my remarks to a close, I must express my heartfelt